Now let's move into learning how to actually single crochet. So I have already worked into the foundation row of this work. So now I am moving into working into my first stitches here. So I have chained one, which is what you do when you are moving between rows of single crochets. And I'll show you how to do that when we come to the end of this row. But we are going to work into our chain as normal. If you need more explanation on that, check out the video on how to work into stitch spaces. But you're going to work right under that V, insert your hook. You're going to be yarning over and pulling through. So now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again by grabbing that yarn and pulling through both loops on your hook. And then you're going to see that that's created that V that you see at the tops of all these stitches. So you're just going to find that very next V, make sure you're not skipping any stitches, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. And you're going to continue doing that same thing across the entire row. Make sure you're keeping a gentle tension, not too tight. You want to be able to easily work into these stitches on the next row. You're just inserting, yarning over, pulling through, yarning over, and pulling through. So one more time, you're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops that are on your hook. So now there's 2 more stitches left in this row. This last stitch can be a little bit difficult. It curves down a tiny bit. So you just want to make sure you're working into both sides of it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Now, in order to create the next row, we're going to need to chain and then turn our work. So you're going to chain 1 by yarning over and then turn your work. And then you're going to be working into these stitches just the same as you did the last row, inserting your hook into that very first stitch space and then working across, creating your single crochets. And you should have the same exact amount of single crochets in the following row as you do in this row.